Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Oh, you're new here? Oh, you're absolutely welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing the things you should prioritize in your interior design. Have you ever started writing a list of the things you want to do in your space? Whether you're trying to move into a new apartment or you're just trying to upgrade your existing apartment or space, and you're making lists of the things you would love to bring into your space, and then it hits you that these things are going to cost you money. So now you're confused. What should I do first? What should I prioritize? In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you the things you should never ever compromise when it comes to quality and why that is. So let's get straight into it. The first necessary investment in your home interior decor, especially if it's a home that you bought, you built this home, so you are truly investing in this home. The first thing you should never compromise when it comes to the quality is your kitchen cabinet. Your kitchen is the heart of your home. You go to your kitchen almost every day, especially if you're someone who loves cooking. So think about everything you have to do in your kitchen every day. The things that happen in the kitchen, the cooking, the washing, there's lots of moisture and lots of heat and lots of things going on in the kitchen. And there are materials that have been specifically made to be able to hold all this pressure. That is why you should never compromise on the quality of your kitchen cabinet. Do not go for cheaper cabinets because of funds, because sooner or later you would have to redo them, you have to repair them, which means they are eventually going to cost you more. So it's better to just make that big investment and make sure you use good quality when it comes to your kitchen cabinet and also when it comes to your appliances. And also do not forget the design. Make sure that you hire a professional that's going to make your kitchen as functional as possible for you, because this is somewhere you're going to use often, so you need it to be pleasing aesthetically and functionally. Another item in your home or in your interior design that you should never compromise when it comes to quality is your sofa. Whatever kind of sofa you're looking to use in your space, 2-seaters, 3-seaters, sofa set, sectional sofa, make sure you go for a high quality sofa, a sofa that is well designed and well structured, that can last you well. Especially if you're someone who spends time watching TV on your sofa, you cuddle on your sofa, you have family time on your sofa, you should invest in good sofa, because if you don't, cheap sofas usually do not last, which means you will have to spend much money replacing them later on, whereas you can actually just spend the money once and for all. So when you're tired of the sofa and you're thinking that you need to change something about it, you can just change the fabric or the upholstery of the sofa, which means you still have like a well-structured sofa that can be recycled anytime you feel you need a new sofa. That will save you money along the line. So look for sofas that are functional for you and your family, or are functional for you and your lifestyle. If you have kids or pets, then you have to choose sofas that are stain proof, are very easy to clean, so that way you are able to like maintain the sofa, to be able to handle whatever comes at it. The next one is your bed and your beddings, guys. Studies have shown that we spend half of our lifetime on our beds. Yes, Google it. So which means you have to invest in a good bed and beddings. Your sheets, your pillows, your bed covers. Invest in good quality fabrics that will last you a long time. It is better for you to get a little bit pricey fabrics and sheets that will last you for a long time than get cheap ones that would easily wear and tear with time, which means when you get tired of these ones that you bought, you can easily give them out instead of having to replace them because they didn't last you for a while. Invest in wood bed frames. You spend half of your life on your bed, so you need to get a good bed frame that would last you for a long time. You don't want to buy a bed and then in a matter of 3-4 months you start hearing weird sounds. You want to invest in good and strong bed that would last you for years, so you don't have to keep replacing them when you can actually spend that money on something else. My next tip is to invest in good lighting design. Lighting is very powerful when it comes to your interior design. Lighting can take your space from 0 to 100. When you have a beautiful decor and it's dark and lighting is not functioning well where it's supposed to be, the beauty of your decor will not come out. Sometimes you have a very simple decor, but because of the light design in your space, it looks very luxurious and expensive, which is why you should invest in good lighting. Make sure you have task lights, make sure you have mood lights. Task lights are functional lights. They are lights you use often. They can be your bedside lamp, they can be your reading lamp, they can be the spotlights in your POP that you on when you're about to do some things in your room or in your space. While mood lights are lights that you can change the ambience in order to suit the kind of mood you want in that space. For example, some POP lights have multiple colors. They have blue and they have white. So when you want to do something functional in your room, you can turn on the white light. And when you want to like kind of relax and just watch TV or just chill out in your space, you can change the color to blue. This lighting function in your space makes your space look better, and it's just change the whole game of your space. So try and invest in good lighting. Do not take lighting for granted in your space, and do not compromise quality, because you don't want to be changing your LED lights now and then or changing bulbs every month. You want something that once you place in your space, it's going to last you for a long time. So invest in good lighting. Another area of your home that you should invest in when it comes to your decor is your bathroom. We start our day and end our day in our bathrooms. If you're someone like me, I get most of my ideas when I'm in the shower. So your bathroom should be your oasis. It should be somewhere where you enter, you feel relaxed, you feel calm, you feel like you want to let go of all the troubles of the day before you come back to your bedroom. So your bathroom should not be compromised when it comes to quality. Use good floor tiles, use good wall tiles, use quality sanitary wares, use quality accessories when it comes to your bathrooms. Do not hesitate to decorate your bathrooms. Pay attention to the colors you have in your bathrooms too. Your bathroom is very, very important. Do not underestimate your bathroom. So when you're making out your list of the places you're willing to spend your funds on, please include your bathroom and just tastefully design your bathroom. You are not going to regret it. Another thing you should not be afraid to invest in when it comes to your interior design are statement pieces. Everything in your space does not have to be functional. Yes, I'm a sucker for a well-designed functional space, but for a space to be well designed, there has to be a balance, which means there are some things in your space that are necessarily not functional when it comes to the tasking aspect, but they are quite functional when it comes to the aesthetic aspect, which means they add beauty to your space. And these are statement pieces. It could be like a beautiful piece of artwork, it could be a lovely piece of wall clock that is huge that you can put on a particular wall to create accents in your space. It could be a focal point on your wall where you just have this beautiful wallpaper. All in all, do not hesitate to spend money on statement pieces when it comes to your home decor. That is like what brings everything back together. That is what brings the beauty, that is what brings the design into the space. So do not hesitate to splurge in that aspect too. So guys, those are the tips I have for you today. Should I call them tips? So those are the things that really worth to be on your priority list when you're making this for your decor. So from there you can add some other things that are important to you, but those things that I listed, those items that I listed for you, are very important that you get a very good quality of them. It is better to do without something for a while till you can afford a better or even the best quality of that item than opt for something that is cheaper that will not last you long. You would eventually spend more than you should spend. So why not just wait till you can afford something better instead of just going for something cheaper? There is always the best quality within your budget. I'm not saying you have to have millions or thousands for you to have quality items. Sometimes it's not really about the price, it's about the item you're buying. So just check what you're buying, make sure your money is getting you the best. If your money can't get you the best yet, then maybe you should just hold on a bit. It has worked for me and I hope it will work for you too. So guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you're new on this channel and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and please don't forget to give me thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.